Weather Service can wait.
Still dying.
Trying to get some center IDs.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Chesterfield County, the Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, the northern city of Petersburg, northwestern Charles City County, northwestern Prince George County, southeastern Henrico County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m. Severe thunder, Virginia State University, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This severe thunderstorm will be hit over Virginia State University. Hopewell around 3:45 p.m. Jordan's Point around 3:55 p.m. Roxbury around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Barnett's, Jordan Point Country Club, Madoville, Birchett, Wayside, and Petersburg National Battlefield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415. Jordan Point Country Club, Madoville, Birchett, Wayside, and Petersburg National Battlefield. For your protection. Page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southern Montgomery County and central Maryland, central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, the northwestern city of Falls Church in northern Virginia until 6:30 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington,
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar.
Vienna,
Impact, flash
Falls
flooding
Church,
of
Mantua, Fort Belvoir, Emmett Hills, McLean, American Legion Bridge, Potomac, Burke, Oakton, Lincolnia, Tyson's Corner, Franconia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash. Laconia, Tyson's Corner, Franconia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths in Alexandria in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia until 6.
Oh, look, I want to find another one. Oh!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for central Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland until 4 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Londontown or near Bowie, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed.
And this goes along with a
Tree
flash
damage
flood
is
warning
likely.
already in effect until
This
6:15.
dangerous storm will be near Shady Side, Road River and London Turn around 3 p.m. p.m.
Oh my god, I dropped my phone.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Harwood, Ellesmere Shores, Riva, West River, Edgewater,
For
Prince
central
George's
Anne Arundel
Stadium,
County and
Davidsonville,
northeastern
Highland
Prince
Beach.
George's County
Major
until
marine damage
4
is
o'clock.
likely.
Once again, this is a tornado
Take
warning.
cover
Right now, this storm is going to impact places like Harwood, Hillsmere Shores, Riva, West River, Shadyside, Road River, London Town. That's the closest at 340. So if you live in Shadyside, Road River, and London Town, the Naval Academy starts seeking shelter now. Tornado warning in effect for central Anne Arundel County and northeastern Prince George's County. We will bring you more information because we have to blow our emergency sirens.
Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the
Safety alert. Safety alert.
because of a local weather emergency.
National Weather Warning for southern Montgomery County, central Fairfax.
Have everybody. Congress.
Part of the city of Falls Church. This is just Doppler radar is showing thunderstorms that produced heavy rain across the warned area. Between half an inch and 1.5 inches of rain have already fallen. Another half an inch is expected to fall shortly. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly if the water hasn't risen by you yet. Flash flooding of Small Creek, Stream, and Legion Bridge, Franconia, and a line through all of those areas. Once again, a flash flood warning for southern Montgomery, central Fairfax, the cities of Fairfax and Falls Church till 6:30 tonight.
Virginia, the city of northern Virginia, the northwestern city of Falls Church in northern Virginia.
And this is on top of a tornado warning that has just dropped from the National Weather Service. This tornado warning is in effect for central Anne Arundel County and northeastern Prince George's County until 4 o'clock. Just a few minutes ago, we saw a severe thunderstorm.
Once again, about this tornado warning, so we interrupt our program to bring you this local weather emergency. We interrupt this program to activate the
alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency.
The National Weather Service in Sterling has issued a tornado warning for central Anne Arundel County and northeastern Prince George's County. This is until 4 o'clock this afternoon. Just a little while ago, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near London Town or Bowie, moving east at 50 miles an hour. This could also be producing some hail, and watch out for that as well. If you are in the direct path of this, the time to seek shelter is now. Look for an interior room and get away from windows. If you're in a car, try to find a way to seek shelter in. The tornado warning is for central Anne Arundel County, northeastern Prince George's County until 4 o'clock. We will continue bringing details through the afternoon.
St. George Island, White Point Beach,
Seek shelter in. Four o'clock. We will continue bringing details through the afternoon.
The system is run largely by university presidents.
That's funny, they're relaying it right now.
A tornado warning
Oh, they did it again
issued for Anne Arundel County and Prince George County, effective until 4:03 p.m.
But all that
Service in Wakefield has issued a size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Holmgren around 3:55 p.m. New Kent and Tono around 4:10 p.m. Barhamsville around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Holly Forks, Eltham, Chicago Shore, York River State Park, Croker, Mountcastle, Lenexa, Colonial Downs, Santa Bottom, and Warren Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield,